In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a job on Indeed for free. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clear, professional posting without paying for promotion. First, open the Indeed website. On the homepage, look for the option labeled Employers or Post a Job. This takes you to the employer side of Indeed, where all the tools for creating and managing job posts live. Next, sign into your employer account. If you don't have one yet, create an employer account. It only takes a moment. Make sure you're signing up as an employer, not a job seeker, so you see the correct dashboard and features. Once you're in, start your job post by clicking Post a Job. Indeed may highlight sponsored options, but for a no-cost listing, choose the free job post option and skip the sponsored upgrade. You can always explore sponsoring later, but we're focusing on getting the job live for free. Now enter the core job details. Add a clear, specific job title people actually search for. Enter your company name so candidates know who they're applying to. Set the location or choose remote if the role can be done from anywhere. Then select the job type such as full-time, part-time, or contract to set expectations up front. Write your job description with clarity and structure. Start with a brief overview of what the role does and why it matters. Outline the main duties in everyday language so candidates can picture the work. List the requirements and the skills needed to succeed, distinguishing between must-haves and nice-to-haves where possible. Including salary is optional but highly recommended. Transparent pay ranges attract more qualified applicants and can save time on screening. You can also mention key benefits and work hours to round out the picture. Choose how you want to receive applications. You can accept applications via Indeed profiles, send them to a designated email inbox, or forward candidates to an external application link on your own site. Pick the method that fits your current hiring process and double-check that any email or link you use is active and monitored. Before you publish, review everything carefully. Check spelling, confirm the job type and location, and make sure the description is easy to read. Use the preview to see exactly what candidates will see. When you're satisfied, click Post Job. Your listing will go through a quick review, which usually takes anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Once approved, your job will be live and ready to attract applicants.